Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how you can create a subdomain for your main domain. So suppose you can see this is my main domain fitdaddy.com, and there I created a one subdomain javaburn.fitdaddy.com. So how you can do this thing, so I can explain all the things like how you can create subdomain and the what is best practices to you can create a subdomain for your website, and how you can install WordPress for your subdomain, and how you can create password for your subdomain. So we can cover all the things in this video. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will open your hosting account where you purchase your hosting and the domain. Okay, so once you guys will open your hosting, you can navigate to this home section. Then you see a business web hosting. You can click on the manage, and then after you can click on the domains. There you can see there is a subdomains. You can click on this, and you see there I created a one subdomain. So there you can type your subdomain name. So suppose my another subdomain name is so suppose if I'm planning to create a subdomain, so there you can type your subdomain name. So I can just randomly type XYZ, and you can see then after what you can do, you can select a custom folder for subdomain. So definitely you can create a custom folder for subdomain. I can explain why. So there you can type a double underscore and then your subdomain name XYZ. There you can type your subdomain name, then two underscore before your subdomain. Then after you can click on the create button, and you see your subdomain is created, XYZ fitdaddy.com. And what you can do next, so you can click on you can navigate to the website section. There is a auto installer. You can click on this, and you see there is a WordPress. So this is our main website where we installed a WordPress, and then after you can select a WordPress, click on the select button, and from there you can type your subdomain website title name. So XYZ we created. There you can type your website title name, and what you can do next here, this is a very important. Okay, so there you can select your subdomain. So which subdomain you wanting to install a WordPress. So you can select your subdomain XYZ, and then after you can there you can type your WordPress administrator username. So suppose for this subdomain I can type XYZ underscore fit daddy. This is just random username, so you can create anything for your website. There you can type a password for your WordPress. So XYZ dot fit daddy at 1234. I just created a random password, and then after once you guys will complete these things, then your website title and your administrative WordPress username and your WordPress password. Make sure you can note down this details and anywhere on notepad, and from there you selected your which path you wanting to install WordPress. So you can select your subdomain, then after you can click on the next button, click on the install. So now your WordPress are started installing on your subdomain. So you see our WordPress are installed on this xyzfitdaddy.com. So you can, if you wanting, so you can directly access from there. Either we can check we successfully created our password for this or not. So if you can open this, so you see this is your dashboard. So there we haven't installed anything. So what we can do, you can type a slash a wp admin, then after click on the enter button. Let's see, is there what is username? I guess I thinking I forgot the username what I typed. XYZ with daddy, and what password I created. This is a wrong password. I guess I forgot the password. So you can directly access from there, WordPress admin, if you can click on this, it will be take a couple of seconds, then you can it can navigate you to your WordPress dashboard. So you see this is the our WordPress dashboard, and from there, if you wanting, so you can change anything from there. From the user section you can change or update your password, and then from there you can change your password. And if you wanting, so whatever the things you want, you can install from there, your theme, the plugin or anything, everything is there to you can create, and you see how you are playing on your subdomain. So overall, this is the process to how you can create your subdomains. And I can show you why I created subdomain folders. To support, you can navigate to the home section, click on the manage web hosting, and if you can go to the file manager, there you see, if I can open a public HTML, you see there I created a custom folder. So you easily understand. So this folder is for the your which subdirectory. So there you wanting, you can play and you can upload anything in this folder. So that's why we created a folder on this name. Okay. So overall, this is the process to how you can create a perfectly a subdomain of subdomains. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, for the any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, or if you found a something informative video for you, so please you can hit the subscribe and the like button, because your this help motivate me more to I can create informative videos for you guys. So I hope you can do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.